Hi, I'm Pam on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to talk about eating healthy and physical activity in 4 and 5-year-olds. Now we're going to talk about the smallest of all of the stripes on the food pyramid, the yellow one right here, which you can barely see, but that is the oils food group. It's not technically a food group, but some oils can contribute to good health if you're getting the right ones. Healthy oils can be found in fish, nuts, corn oil, soybean oil, olive oil, or canola oil. Now, most kids get enough of their daily intake from this category without actually having to make an effort to add things in. Now, the recommended daily allowance for children 4 to 5 years old is 4 to 5 teaspoons. Each teaspoon is that big. As you can see, it's not very big. Now, 1 teaspoon is half a tablespoon of mayo, half a tablespoon of margarine or butter, 8 olives without the pits, 1 tablespoon of Italian salad dressing. Not ranch, not blue cheese, just Italian. Or half an ounce of nuts. And that's all there is for the oils group.